Hi, I'm Angeline and I am a Principal Counsellor at Kaplan in Singapore. My role is to oversee the Student Guidance and Counselling Service here in Kaplan. At SGCS, we provide individual counselling for students in a safe and confidential space where they can freely express themselves and share their thoughts and concerns with a sense of comfort and trust. We also organise workshops and talks to meet the psychological needs of students. Our team of professional counsellors will do our best to help our students build and strengthen mental wellness and resilience, manage specific concerns and crises, and facilitate personal development and discovery.
Some of the areas that we help students with include adapting to school life such as family and work-life balance, adjustment issues to new environment, especially for international students, managing emotions such as anger, anxiety, frustration, low mood, and mental fatigue, relationship challenges such as social, family, and personal relations, coping with crises such as bereavement, loss, and separation, seeking purpose in life such as personal development, self-discovery, build self-confidence, and encountering issues that cause distress or affect your day-to-day functioning.
Pursuing further education is a major transition. Many exciting opportunities for growth and development, which may also be challenging. Remember, you don't have to journey alone. We are here to help you during your studies at Kaplan in Singapore.